Hey y'all, how you doing? How's it going? John Broyles, Cash and Cubmaster here. And today's a pretty special day for us all around the world. May 2nd. In fact, I'm doing one here so I could actually get a souvenir. Although some things, okay, I'll buy that one this time. So, since it is that particular time of day, that time of year, and now, oh, I got one in my hand already. Aha! I don't have my stamper with me today, but considering that today, CCM 5223 is Big Blue Switch Day, find a cache, get the souvenir. Happy Big Blue Switch Day.